Hello everyone, I'm Armstrong and this is ArmsTech.
In the last video, we created our Blackjack project, designed the interface and added our buttons and labels. If you haven't watched video 1 yet, pause this video and go and watch it first. In this video, we are going to start writing the code and make our game work. We focused on drawing cards and making the hit button functional. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow the channels for more tutorials like this. This is where we got to back in video 1. So back in video 1, we were able to move some things from the toolbox onto the designer to rename them and also make them as we want. So for example, we were able to add some list box here, and then we named that one to player cards and the other one to dealer cards. Then we were able to set the background of our table to green color. So right now I'm having dark green as my color. Then we're able to drag some buttons onto the designer view also. And so these are the buttons that we dragged and dropped here: the restart button, stand, and also hit. Then we drag some labels onto it, which we'll be using later in our games. So right now nothing works yet. To write code, we have to go to the Solution Explorer. So I taught you how to go to the Solution Explorer back in video 1. So this is the Solution Explorer. Then you go to Blackjack game.cs, this one. Then you right click it. And then you click on View Code. So you click on this one. So this is where we'll be typing our code. So you can either, after clicking on the black game.cs and clicking view code, you can either use the shortcut key, that is F7 for that one. After doing that, you see something like this. So right here, this is called the constructor. So this is the constructor, and the constructor is here, but we are not going to type inside the constructor. This one, this is not where we'll be typing, but we'll be typing on top of the constructor, above it, inside the class. So we won't go outside the class. So this is the class. So the class contains everything. So we're typing here above the constructor. So let's hit enter and then type this one: random equals new random. And you can hit enter key. Int player score, player score is equal to 0. Int player score is equal to 0. And turn it down. So the random object here will help us generate random cards. So let me comment that one here for you. So this will generate random cards. And this one too, the player score keeps track of the player's total. So this one keeps track of the player's total. And this one too does it. So keep track of the dealer's total. Yes, so this is it. So this is what we're having now. Now let's create a method that will draw a card. And also, this is very important. You also be typing that one also. So for that one, we have to type that one down of the constructor. That will be the new the constructor. So first use the cursor here and then hit enter. So this is the constructor like I showed you earlier. I won't be typing inside. So if you place the cursor here and you hit enter, then let's type this one. So private and DrawCard. So next card is equal to random next. So let's make it 1 and 14 terminate. So remember to always terminate when you get to that part. Right. So let's continue. If card card is greater than 10, if card is greater than 10, card is equal to 10, then you return the card again. 10 minutes. So there's no red jacket line, that means code is correct. So let's comment it here to make it simpler for you to see. I've commented it here, which will make it easier. So the random dots next 1 and 14 here. This will give us a number that is between 1 and 13. So if the number is greater than 10, like I said here, if the number is greater than 10, then we change the number to 10. So it will match the blackjack rule as it states when we are playing it, basically with allowance. So if the number is greater than 10, to change the number to 10. This is the way you set it. Now let's go back to the design. So in the Solution Explorer, right click Blackjack game and CS. Let's right click it and click on New Designer. Okay, so here we are. Okay, so remember in the other video when we click on hit, it created an event. So let's show that one here in the properties window. So this is the hit. When it comes to the property window, you see this one, there's an icon like a tender there. When you place the mouse pointer on it, it will come as events. So you click on it. Then you find click. So click is here. Then you double click it. So you see that all the buttons were created here, they are all here. And the BTN hit click is the one that you highlighted and already created an event for them. So let's come here. Now let's double click it. Yeah, so this is where we'll be typing our code for BTN hit event. So remember we type message box to show card dealt in the other video, if you remember. So that one was in video 1. So now let's type this one there. So let's type int card is equal to DrawCard. It's equal to DrawCard. Let's see. Alright. And you can need enter again. Layer score plus equals card. terminate that one too. And enter again LBL layer score dot text is equal to layer plus layer score. Then we terminate that one. So let's bring a condition. So if layer score is greater than 21, if layer score is greater than 21, then we bring out the message. So let's copy the message box we created in the first video here, and then cut it and bring it here, paste it. So let's bring this one. Obviously leave the end there. So you see that there is no red jacket line under it. That means it's correct. So what we've created here is when we place the hit, we will draw a card and then we add it to the player score. Then we updated the label, so if the score is above 21, the player loses. So that's what we've set. So now that we've been able to connect the hit button, let's change this one here, the card dealt, since we used that one in the previous video, and then enter here ArmsTech. And so enter this. Then you save. So let's try and see if this one works. So let's F5 on the keyboard and let's hit build and then run. Okay, so let's click it. So we've seen that the player is now having 2. Let's click again. The player is now having 6. The player is now having 11. It's now having 21. So have we seen that the player is now having more than 21? That's the condition that we set. So therefore, the message that we put into the message box will be displayed. So our game logic is now working perfectly. Yeah, so every number above 21 will display the message we have passed it. So that's it. In the next video, we'll program the dealer logic and make the stand pattern work. So we make this one work so far as the other ones work in the coming videos. So if you are learning something new, then subscribe to ArmsTech, then remember to follow and also share to others to also see this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next tutorial.